Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete your Hostinger account permanently in 2025. Step by step. If you've been looking for the most updated and effortless way to remove your Hostinger account completely, you're in the right place. So stay tuned till the end to make sure you don't miss any important step. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and go to the official Hostinger website, which is hostinger.com. Once the page loads, head over to the top right corner and click the login button. Now, enter your email and password that are linked to your Hostinger account. After logging in successfully, you'll land on the H panel, which is Hostinger's control dashboard. Next, let's move to the account settings. On the left-hand side or top navigation menu, locate the settings section. Click on it and then find the account information tab. This section contains all your account related details and preferences. Scroll down a bit until you see the asterisk delete account asterisk option. Once you click on it, Hostinger will display a confirmation prompt. This message is a final warning that once you delete your account, all your data, including websites, emails, and files, will be permanently removed. So before proceeding, make sure to back up everything important, such as your website files, emails, or any databases you want to keep. You can easily download them from your hosting control panel before you confirm deletion. When you're absolutely sure you want to continue, click confirm or yes, delete my account. Hostinger will process your request, and within moments, your account will be permanently deleted. If for any reason the delete option doesn't appear or you face an error, don't panic. Just contact Hostinger support through their live chat or ticket system. Their team can guide you through or assist with account closure manually. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete your Hostinger account in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy step-by-step tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.